Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to knit this beautiful stitch, and later on you will see a knit head where I'm going to use this stitch. For the stitch you need to cast on the number that is divisible by 4 plus 3 extra stitches at the end here and 2 selvage stitches. I'm using 4mm knitting needles and medium worsted weight yarn. I'm going to cast on now 13 stitches. So divisible by 4 it is 8 plus 3 and plus 2, in total 13. And the first row, slip the first stitch, and now purl 3, one, 2, 3, and knit 1. And we are going to repeat last 4 stitches. Purl 3, knit 1. At the end we have 3 extra stitches. Purl 3, and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn row number 2, slip the first stitch, and now knit the knits and purl the purls. So knit 3, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1. At the end, knit 3 and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Now we are going to repeat these 2 rows. Now row number 1, again slip the first stitch, purl 3, knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, and at the end purl 3 and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 4 will be the same as row number 2. Slip the first stitch, knit 3, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1. At the end knit 3 and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 5, slip the first stitch and purl 3. Now count down 3 rows, 1, 2, 3. Insert the needle, yarn over and draw up a long loop. Now again, yarn over, insert and draw up a loop. This is 3, yarn over, this is 4, and again insert the needle and draw up a loop. So in total now we have 5 loops. Now knit 1, this is now 6, and repeat. Purl 3, and now again count down 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw up a loop through the same stitch, yarn over, and one more time draw up a loop. 5 loops on your needle. Now knit 1 and finish with purl 3 and purl the last selvage stitch. That's what we have. And the last row, slip the first stitch. Now knit 3 and now you need purl together all these 6 loops and stitch. So in total 6. Purl 6 together and repeat. Knit 3 and purl 6 together. At the end, knit 3 and purl the last selvage stitch. That's it. After that you are going to repeat the pattern from the beginning, where you did purl 3, knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, purl 3, and on the wrong side knit 3, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, knit 3, and then repeat, and then again make 5 loops counting down 3 rows, and that's what you will get. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I hope to see you soon in my next video tutorials. Bye!